A complete graph is a graph that has an edge between each pair of its vertices. A path in a graph is a sequence of adjacent vertices and the edges connecting them. An edge can be part of a path only once, but a vertex may appear on a path more than once. A circuit is a path that begins and ends at the same vertex. A graph is connected if, for any two of its vertices, there is at least one path connecting them. If a graph is not connected, it is said to be disconnected. And lastly, a bridge is an edge that, if removed from a connected graph, would leave behind a disconnected graph. So that was a lot of definitions. The first ones that we're going to be looking at are connected and complete. So connected means that you can travel from any vertex to any other vertex by some kind of path. Whereas a complete graph means that there's an edge between each pair of vertices. So each vertex is directly connected to every other vertex. So number 10 is connected because you can travel from any vertex to any other vertex. But it is not complete because each vertex is not directly connected. So if you look at the bottom two vertices, I can travel from one to the other, but they're not directly connected. Looking at the graph for number 11, this graph is separated. So it's not connected. And because it's not connected, it can't be complete. And finally, number 12, this is connected and it is complete because each vertex is directly connected to each of the other vertices.